everyone, it's Heather from Aspire Vox, and I'm welcoming you along to another episode of Come Hither with Heather. What are we wanting to talk about today? Something I hear about all the time, people being worried about how they look on stage. This is something that's shared with lots of people, me included. We do worry about what we look like on stage, but we do need to remember that we are all unique. So what I want you to think about is embracing that uniqueness, okay? I want you to think about the fact that your appearance is only one aspect of your performance. I'm sure you've got lots of other strengths. I need you to highlight them, okay? I want you to think about experiment with different outfits because that can really matter. Find ones that maybe make you feel more comfortable and confident on stage. And remember, your audience is there to enjoy that music, okay? So you need to connect with that audience through your voice and the emotions, okay? Your singing abilities and the emotions that you put across when you're singing are really what matter, okay? Ultimately, if you really, really think about it, the audience are there to enjoy the music, and the majority of people just love hearing someone sing live. So I need you to embrace your uniqueness, and I want you to let your passion for singing take centre stage. Okay, hope that helps. Just a few tips for you. Until next time, see you later.